This nigga folding it up. Damn. Keep folding, my nigga. Keep folding. Let me get.
Hey, not too much, player. Not too much. You just holding my dollar. Hey, chill, player. Chill. Hey, back your ass.
Ah, that's nice.
Showing $1.
Papa, fold it up and let's see what he do.
How I'ma get it back?
He meant like in a square.
Go, Papa, give it to him.
I'm sure he meant like a small square.
Hell no. Oh, well, it's just $1.
Papa, let it go.
He fucking it up.
I can't see it. Yeah.
This nigga.
They about to unfold that hoe. Oh, that nigga look, his tongue on in and everything.
Nigga. He ain't even got no thumbs.
Ugh, nasty tongue.
Bro, if he unfold this $1, I'm done.
You got it now, bro.
He almost up. Shit, he unfolding this motherfucker.
He said my leg a little.
my leg got tired.
Can I pet it?
No, let it go.
Oh, hey, stop, player, stop.